Alright then, let's begin JavaScript, and I'm going to go right to the first program, and it's called Hello JavaScript. All you need to do is just save the file as JS Hello JavaScript. Okay, create a folder just like I did. I created a folder in Edupedia JavaScript and then JavaScript script. Okay, and I added a couple of files here. The first file is called the Hello JavaScript, and it is saved as .txt. If you are unfamiliar with what we're doing right now, I strongly recommend that you please go through my HTML and CSS course, HTML1 and HTML2. Without doing those courses, you may have problems because I will not be explaining the HTML. I will only be talking about the JavaScript. Okay, the HTML and JavaScript and CSS go hand in hand, but HTML is like the background, CSS is like the furniture in the background, and JavaScript is like music. All right, so this is how it is. Without the background and the furniture, you wouldn't enjoy the music, right? So the ambience is created by the HTML language and CSS, making it beautiful. Without these two, you cannot learn JavaScript. So let's go ahead, and it's already saved. Yes, let's begin doc type. Open the tag, open the HTML tag and exclamation mark. All right, can you see this? Great. Doc type. Okay, HTML, just type exactly how I'm typing. Remember, HTML is a very unforgiving language. If you make one mistake, one syntax error, one logical error, no program would accept logical error. But HTML, especially with the Notepad editor, I'm not using any kind of editing environment. I'm using this basic Notepad editor. It makes you really program well. So Notepad editor, it will not know whether you've typed something right or wrong. No error messages, no red wiggle underline like you get in your Word document. You have to open your eyes and you have to be very careful of what you're doing. All right. Okay, then HTML tag. Then you type the body tag. Then H1 heading. That's the first heading. And then what can JavaScript do? Okay, what can JavaScript do? Write that question and then close the H1 tag. Okay, if I've made any errors, I'm going to find out soon. Then write in the paragraph tab, write ID is equal to demo. Now this is where you begin JavaScript. Okay, just take a deep breath, do this slowly, take it easy. I'm going to explain everything that's happening. Just consider that you're just copying me. You're cheating and you're copying and pasting. That's what you're doing basically right now. I'm going to explain every single thing, including some kind of revision for HTML. Just copy me. Paragraph tab ID is equal to demo. JavaScript can change. Okay, S is always capital and there's no space between the two. Okay, let's just try to write like that every single time. JavaScript can change HTML content. Cool. Close the paragraph tab. Then we have button type. This is JavaScript alert is equal to, because this is not HTML, it's JavaScript language. Button, if you know HTML, you will know what is not HTML. Okay, button is on click. Careful of the spelling and typos and capital letters, please. Document dot get elementary. You're accessing something right now when you say document dot get file elementary by id, elementary by id. Okay, and this is a demo. Okay, single inverted commas, demo, close, bracket close. Then okay, after demo you type up dot inner html is equal to hello, single inverted commas, hello javascript. Okay, and then close the double, you open this here, right? Button type, this is the entire button type. Okay, if I made a mistake I will find out. Let me double check. Button, oh, this is supposed to close. Button on click is equal to document. Yes, that's why I was wondering. I went back. Button type is button. One on click is equal to document dot get elementary id demo dot inner html looks fine is equal to hello javascript exclamation mark single inverted commas closed and double inverted commas closed from here. On click do this action, that's what it means. I need a button type button, and when you click, and I'm defining the action for this button on click. Okay, simple to understand. What's the meaning of on click? Upon clicking this button, do this action under these inverted commas, these guys here. Okay, and let's go ahead and close the tab. Okay, and then you close the tab and then you say click me. Okay, that's something that would be written on the page without any exceptions. Button, close the button. So this was the button tag. Okay, and within the paragraph you inserted id is equal to demo, javascript can change html content. Okay, close the paragraph tag, and the button tab, button type is equal to button on click is equal to all of this. This is the whole button tag, and between these two tags you right click me, close the button tag, then close the body tag, close the oops, okay, happens, close the html tag. Okay, and now save it. If there's a mistake I'll find out, don't worry too much about it. Save it as html.html. Okay, and all files, save it as html. You have a file, you will have two files now. One file saved as .txt text document, and another file that would be saved as html. Check it out, all files. There you go. Now this is the guy you're going to double click. Okay, so let's double click on hello JS HTML file, double click, and wow, what do you see here? The H1 heading in HTML, what can JavaScript do? And then in the paragraph font you write JavaScript can change HTML content. Click me, that is the name of the button, right? I'm not going to click yet. I want to make sure that you understand what you're doing here. What can JavaScript do? This is right here. Can you see it? Then in the paragraph tab, you said id is equal to demo. JavaScript can change HTML document. Okay, this is the name of the. You just creating an id which is called demo. This guy is called demo. Inside the document, this line here is called demo. It has an identity of demo. If you want to refer to this line, just call demo. Demo, come here, demo, do this. Okay, so literally, believe me, it sounds funny. Click me is this button here. Button type is equal to button. On click is equal to document.get elementary by ID. This is an entire file that you're getting from the JavaScript library residing in the server. Okay, and its name is demo, this guy here. Hello JavaScript. Okay, click me button. Let me click it. Are you ready? Okay. So did you see that? Did you see that? What can JavaScript do? When you click here, click me, hello JavaScript. That's what you're supposed to see. Hello JavaScript. Okay. You click it and you see hello JavaScript. If you want to see it again, you can refresh the page. JavaScript can change HTML content, which means this content which was called demo is replaced by hello JavaScript. Okay, let's stop this video now, and I'm going to show you a few more programs before I get into specific topics and show you how JavaScript can create interactivity. You agree with me that this is a simple form of interactivity with your web page? Yes? No? Check this out. Yes, you're interacting with the web page. Okay, so let's try to learn more interactivities like these. Okay, see you in the next video. Take care.